you, but don't hurry or slowly. Oh yeah.
Just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something